Okay, I want to make this video because this thing has been in my mind to do this video for some time now regarding this abnormal state situation that has been dominating Igbo. So, um, my own take in this thing is if you look at the whole thing today, Igbo people are suffering as a result of actions from people, from people from Anioma in the person of Major or that Army General, Izogu and Ifadin. These two people are the two figureheads of that queue that was tagged Igbo queue. And Igbo people are suffering. The Igbo people is going through a lot of marginalization, a lot of things that shouldn't even be, just because of the actions of these two people from Anioma. And Anioma people, they are not even coming out to say these two people that committed this crime, they are not from Southeast, they are from our own. They are not Igbo. They keep quiet. And Igbo man is taking bullet for what these people that say they are not Igbo, for their actions. I've seen a lot of people, prominent government people, who have said Igbo people need to apologize to Nigeria for that coup. And these people who has constantly denied that they are not Igbo, they are not coming out. They are people. They are kings are not, who say they are from Egala. They are not Igbo. They are not coming out to say no. These people who did this coup, they are not Igbo. You people should leave Igbo people alone. Nobody is coming out to say Igbo people are not the one who did this coup. But they keep quiet when their people do bad, it's okay. They will keep quiet. But to join them, they don't want to associate themselves with the Igbo people. But their bad actions on Nigeria, they want that thing to be, they want us to be part of their bad things. The bad things they do, we suffer it together. But when it comes to be part of Southeast, they don't want to associate themselves with Southeast. And we see that is a hate. So because of their own people, the actions of their people put Igbo people in a bad state today. Now they don't want to be part of that stigma. That's why they're exonerating themselves, doing everything possible to tell people that we are not Igbo. We are not Igbo. You see, we are not Igbo. But I want their people to come out and let us begin to talk about the things, the atrocities that Igbo people are suffering today that is caused by data people.